The way you feel is a choice. It's a habit. You know how you say, I have this habit, I just can't stop doing it? That's your feelings. You've chosen to create feelings. And you may not have actually chosen that per se. Chances are your parents chose those for you. Your teachers, your mentors, your friends chose the way that you feel with certain things. You are a victim of your environment, as we say. However, now we're adults, and we don't have to feel that way anymore. Right? We don't have to feel the way our parents told us to feel. If someone dies, you don't have to be upset. There are cultures out there, when somebody dies, they celebrate it. Right? You may feel sad because you feel it's your obligation to feel sad because that's what society tells you. Right? I'm not saying not to feel sad. I would be sad, but you don't have to feel sad. Nor do you have to feel anxious. That's another habit that we do. You don't have to feel fearful. Another habit.